Clustering chapter 13, exercise 13.2 and median. Question number 6. A student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. Number of cars. Frequency 0 to 10 7, 10 to 20 14, 20 to 30 13, 30 to 40 12, 40 to 50 20, 50 to 60 11, 60 to 70 15, 70 to 88. Answer 6. Number of cars. Frequency 0 to 10 7, 10 to 20 14, 20 to 30 13, 30 to 40 12, 40 to 50 20, 50 to 60 11, 60 to 70 15, 70 to 88. Greatest frequency is 20. Therefore, model class 40 to 50. L is equal to 40. F is equal to 12. And F1 is equal to 20. F2 is equal to 11. S is equal to 50 minus 40, that is class size, is equal to 10. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon price F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Mode is equal to 40 plus 20 minus 12 upon 2 into 20 minus 12 minus 11 into 10. Mode is equal to 40 plus 8 by 40 minus 23 into 10. That is, mode is equal to 40 plus 80 by 17 equal to 40 plus 4.7058. Mode is equal to 44.7 cars. For calculating median of ungrouped data, we first arrange the data values of the observations in ascending order. Then if n is odd, the median is the n plus 1 by 2 observation. And if n is even, then the median will be the average of the n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observations. In group data, first we find cumulative frequency of the classes and n by 2. We now locate the class whose cumulative frequency is greater than in bracket and nearest to n by 2. This is called median class. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus F upon F into H. L is equal to lower limit of median class. N is equal to number of observations. Cf is equal to cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. F is equal to frequency of the median class. S is equal to class size, assuming class size to be equal. That's all.